Market 101. Everything you need to know before investing. Welcome to our quick overview of the stock market. If you've ever heard people talking about stocks and wondered what it all means, you're in the right place. The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. Think of it as a marketplace for company ownership. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a tiny piece of that company, which means you can benefit from its success, or face losses if things go south. The stock market operates through exchanges, the most notable being the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. These exchanges facilitate trading by providing a regulated environment where investors can buy and sell stocks safely. Stock prices fluctuate based on supply and demand. When a company performs well and investors are optimistic, stock prices rise. Conversely, if a company faces challenges or the market becomes pessimistic, prices may fall. Investing in the stock market can offer high returns, but it also comes with risks. It's important to research and consider factors like market trends, economic indicators, and company performance before making any investment. In summary, the stock market is a vital component of our economy, providing businesses with the capital they need to grow and offering investors opportunities to build wealth over time. Just remember, informed investing is key. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy investing!